Welcome to today's video insight. Today I want to talk more about inevitable success and one crucial concept, the concept of being in a rush and what that means. So we have this default method that gives us a baseline and is helpful if in its own realm, but we also need to get involved consciously sometimes. And if we want to ensure success, as we heard yesterday, we need to have certain breakthroughs. And if we don't go for the breakthrough, it's basically rushing. If we say, okay, I don't need the clarity, I don't need to build solidly, let's just move forward without that. So you can have luck, again, you rely on being lucky then. It might work out, but you might be stopped or even have things fall apart. And depending on how reckless it is to just be in a rush, it can also really lead to problems, hurt other people or yourself. So it can be quite dangerous to be in a rush, and basically you ensure failure if you don't do it right, because then you're doing it wrong. So for winning, you need to have breakthroughs. If we want to have the world being perfect, we need to have certain breakthroughs. And that's why it's important to use the right method to get clarity about all the things we need to have clarity about in order for us to win. And yeah, so what does lead us to being in a rush? It's often the idea of our mind that tells us, it's not worth it. It takes too much resources, or it's not worth it. It's a resource management. It's a strategic decision. It's a resource management decision of our mind getting importance wrong and telling us that it would be a waste of our resources to go for the breakthrough, to go for clarity, to not move forward, to consolidate, and to to build something up to be able to break through. Also, it's of course the idea of the helplessness that your brain needs you as the conscious being for breakthroughs and to use the method for knowledge as well, to get clarity. Your brain needs you in interaction, and without you it cannot do it, so it's intimidated often. And it shies away. That's why I had the title yesterday, evading. Our mind is evading going for the breakthrough. But it's just, we need to have a breakthrough about breakthroughs, and then everything works out. That's what we are doing here right now. But it's really important to see that your mind sells you on not going for the breakthrough because it concludes that it's not worth it or it cannot do it. And it doesn't want you to even look at the blurriness, and it's just want to move you around. Don't look there. Let's go there and do this instead. So it's that's basically what some people refer to procrastination as procrastination too. But it's this evasion and this wrong conclusion about importance and resource allocation. So it's very important to not rush in life, to put yourself in a position where you can go for breakthroughs and clarity within the context. You need to keep yourself alive, of course, but then it's very important to get the method right. How the method of inevitable success, how do we succeed inevitably? We need to see clarity about understanding and about how we get more clarity, how we reveal things, how we reveal knowledge. And then everything works out great. This is where we need to put our resources first. We need to survive, and then we need to seek understanding about understanding, and then we can seek understanding about importance, goodness, and yeah, it's an upward spiral. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.